Now, here's your Rutherford weather forecast.
Hello, Rutherford weather friends. Bryan Barrett here with you. Time to take a look at our severe weather chances for Tuesday, as well as the windy conditions. We can pretty much guarantee you it's going to be fairly windy out there. But outside right now, sunshine all around Murfreesboro, Smyrna, Laverne, Rutherford County, looking really, really good. But for our severe weather outlook for Tuesday evening, the Storm Prediction Center has us in a level 1 out of 5. Now, let's pick out Rutherford County here. So here is Rutherford County. We're entrenched in that level 1 out of 5, which means severe weather is possible, limited in duration and coverage, and or intensity. What is the biggest threat? Damaging winds, some heavy rain, and also the National Weather Service noting that even outside of the thunderstorms, winds are going to be very, very gusty, 40 to 50 miles per hour. So got to keep that in mind. Severe weather hazards, tornado, hail, lightning, wind, flooding. The hazards we kind of expect for this storm coming through, wind and flooding. Now, lightning is a severe weather hazard, but that doesn't mean if you have really, really intense lightning, that's not a criteria for severe thunderstorm warning. Just know that. But with thunderstorms coming through, when thunder roars, get indoors. Make sure that you're inside. It will be coming through later in the evening, so I don't know that that's going to be as particular of a problem. Once again, let's find Rutherford County here and look at our windy Tuesday and Wednesday. The winds here in Rutherford County could be up to 35 to 40 miles an hour. That's the most likely range from the National Weather Service, although you do see that there is a chance here of 50 mile per hour or greater winds, and not too shabby of chances, 30 to 40%. But again, the most likely range, this 30 to 45 mile per hour range. And rainfall, could get some rain. Yes, we're going to get some rain. 1/2 inch to 1 inch. This says the next 7 days here on this particular map, but most of this rain expected Tuesday night through Wednesday. So let's give you a quick peek at future radar. Got it kind of out wide here for the beginning of this. This is at 11 o'clock tomorrow from the HRRR, and we're going to go through just to show you where the stronger storms are going to be. Level 2 in that southwestern corner of Tennessee, and level 3 down toward Mississippi. And you can see why, as these storms here by 2 o'clock are really going down here as they begin to cross into Mississippi out toward Memphis. This is 3 o'clock. Here's 4 o'clock. We could have some showers out in front of that and take it on into 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. The reason I want to show you this is that you can see a particular line here, right? And this is the line that's going to have the greater chances of giving us maybe a severe thunderstorm warning or two here during this time frame. So let's move it on out to, let's say, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. So if you can pick out Murfreesboro, Rutherford County there, you'll see that it's pushing through during that time. And then some rain will continue to fall. Now let's back things up here and we'll zoom it in so we can get a really good up close look. Here is Rutherford County right there in the center of your screen. This is 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock on Tuesday afternoon. Here's 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. As we told you, there could be a few showers and storms pop up out ahead. Now we go to 5 o'clock. We see more rain. But where is that line? If we zoom out a little bit, that line is back toward Union City and Jackson. So back in so we can get a good close look here at Rutherford County. 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. Now can you see where that line is? From Clarksville down to Dixon, Mount Pleasant, and Lawrenceburg. That's going to contain the gustiest winds, we think, with this particular system. Here's 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock. So you can see that between 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock, it's going to traverse the county, that line of storms. Not to say there won't be rain or storms before it or after it. We're just saying that as it comes through, that is going to be the potential for the strongest winds with the thunderstorms. And by 10 o'clock, here's 11, kind of pushing on out, maybe a few leftover showers and things of that nature. So that's kind of what we have for you here. Would like to remind you that tomorrow evening, got a work obligation for the most part during the evening. Won't even be in Rutherford County, but the plan is to maybe get the Rutherford Weather Channel set up with the radar so you can watch things as it progresses through Middle Tennessee. And maybe toward the end of that, we'll be able to hop on and give you some information about it. Okay, so check RutherfordWX.com. From the website, we've got links to all of our social platforms. You can check that out there. And be sure to like, subscribe, turn on your notifications on YouTube, Facebook, X, and Twitch. Those will be the channels during impactful and severe weather that we are live and where you'll get updates like this one. Thanks for joining us, and have a happy, safe rest of your Monday. And stay tuned. Tuesday going to be very windy, a heavy hairspray day, as Ralph Emery and Keith Bilbrey, I think, used to say back in the day. All right, have a good one. We'll see you back here next time.